Also make sure that you download the Doodive application. It is a social network for divers and ocean lovers. It's pretty amazing. You can connect to other divers and dive centers as well. And what is really special about it is that it has a color correction filter for your underwater photos. So you can edit your photos to your liking and then share them to your friends and all of that. And what's really amazing is that very soon there is going to be the same application or the same filter for your underwater videos as well. So make sure you download this filter, check it out. It is completely free of charge and you can try it out right now. So make sure you do that. Also make sure you follow this YouTube channel to follow us on all the other dive adventures that are going to come. And also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok to just follow Doodive and be part of our community. Other than that, I think that's it. I thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for staying tuned to all of our dive adventures. I see you in the next episode. Bye bye.